March is the month for a Shamrock shake, and today we're going to put one together with a few simple ingredients that are both nutritious as well as delicious. We are going to start with some vanilla extract that we are going to add to some unsweetened almond milk. Then we're going to add some peppermint extract. Next, add our protein powder, then our sweetener, a pinch of salt, and then some frozen zucchini. And this, you guys, gives our shake its creaminess. And next we're going to add some nutrient-rich baby spinach. And I promise you guys, the flavor will disappear in this shake. Nobody will know it's in here unless you watch the video or if you tell. And then some ice. Next, put the lid on the container and we're going to give it a blend. And another thing, this spinach gives our Shamrock shake this beautiful green color. Now this is ready. Get the serving container, pour it in, and then you can also put on some optional whipping cream. And then shave some dark chocolate on top. And that mint and that chocolate goes so well together. And you guys, here you have it. A delicious, creamy, minty, with a hint of chocolate, Shamrock shake. And you don't need to reserve this just for March. And once you give it a try, you will see exactly why. Enjoy.